everyone! Today I'm sharing the very first installment of the series Building a YouTube Studio. Going to be great. We're building a YouTube studio right here.
This is where.
So, first of all, why am I building a studio? And why are we looking at an empty space between two giant trees, you ask? Well, this is where the project is going to happen. We're actually building a small studio where I can test and photograph my recipes, film my videos, and so on and so forth and what have you. I'm aware it sounds silly for such a small channel to invest in such a big project, but everyone needs a hobby, and this happens to be mine. And I'll get to show you every step of the way, from this empty space to the finished studio. I always dreamed of having my small space outside in the garden
Where I can be creative.
So I'll link my other channel here, but for context, it is based on food. This area from here to there is going to be a kitchen. We're going to have a little bit of a workspace, maybe around here. And then this entire side is going to be... The cat just jumped on me. We're going to be like a share and a filming place, maybe some plants. And then on the other side, I'm going to show you this small area is not going to be inside, it's going to be like a small porch. I'm going to show you step by step. Look at that cat. He's adorable. He beat me. But you know, I still love him. So this is based on my father's project, but we didn't do this part. This was done by a professional because we need a good foundation.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo.
We're doing it ourselves from now on. Hi there, so today we're outside because we are going to prep the wood for the shed. This is what we're using. I'm not sure what it is, but so we're prepping the wood and in order to keep it good for a long time. We don't want it to rot or to be affected by bugs or fungi.
Is that a word, fungi?
So I'm going to pour that in here, use this brush. It's just an old container and I'm wearing gloves. So I'm going to show you the wood I'm working on. These ones I've done already, they're ready. These are for the outside, so they are a little bit thinner, and these are for the inside. Then we have these two larger pieces of wood. These are support beams. Put it here, and this one's here. You know, this is actually very expensive, so make sure you don't waste it. I always flip them to the same side so I know where I'm going, so always towards me, but that's just my way of working it, so I don't get lost. Okay, so this is done. We're going to move this. Okay, 2 at a time. Now all we need to do is repeat the procedure for all this wood, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to bother you with that. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching until the end. That's cool of you. See you next time.